Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amit. So last video we have learned about the elements, HTML elements and HTML attributes. And today I will start new topic, heading, paragraph and style. So study I already know about the attributes, what is the attribute, why use the attributes. Okay, so today I will start a heading. So let's start. Okay, so HTML heading are the titles or subtitles that you want to display on the web page. Okay, so there are some headings in HTML, h1 to h6, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. These are the elements. Okay, there are some opening tags, some contents and closing tags. So we'll know with practical. Okay, so open the notepad and write some code. First, we need to write doc type. Okay, doc type. What is the doc type? HTML. After that, HTML tag, open and close. Close HTML. And inside the HTML, we need to write head. Head, close head. Inside the head, write the title because I need to display title. Okay, title. Example of heading. Example of heading. This is the title. Okay, title close. And out of go to outside of header head. We need to open body tag and close the body tag also. Okay. So inside the body, there are 6 heading, right? Inside HTML provides 6 heading: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 is the very large and H6 is very small. So write first the H1, close the H1. H1 is the one element tag because H1 is the opening and H1 also closing tag. Open tag and close tag also. Between we need to write some content. So this is the heading 1. This is the heading 1. Copy and paste. There are 6 headings, right? Change the name. This is the H2, H3, H4, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, close also as a sequentially. 2, H3 close, H4 close, H5 close and H6 close. Change the name here also here. 2, 3, 4 heading, 5 heading, 6 heading. So 6 heading. HTML provides 6 heading. Okay, H1 to H6. Save it. So how we will save? I will show you. So save inside the desktop, and what is the format? .html. So heading .html. Name you can do as per your choice. Okay, and .html is the format of HTML. Okay, save it inside the desktop. Go to the desktop. See, I already saved. Refresh it. See, this is the H1. H1 is a very large, and S2, S3, S6, S6 very small. That is the heading. Okay, HTML heading are the defined with H1 to S6. Okay, S6 tag. H1 define the most important heading and S6 define the least important heading. H1 is the very large important heading and S6 is the very small least important heading. There are 6 heading H1 to S6. You can define as per your requirement. Heading are important. Search engine used to heading to index the structure content of the web page. User often skim a page by its heading. It is important to use heading to show document structure. Okay, and there are 6 headings. So as per your choice, you can use it. If you want to display a small heading, so you can choose H5, H4, H6 as per your choice. Okay, and if you want to modify as per your choice, because this is the by default heading showing, right? S6 and H1, H2 by default. showing. If you want to change, so you can use attribute. You can use attribute. If we want to make H3 as a large, so you can use style attribute, and inside the style you will provide the font size. Font size. Font size. If I will provide 50 pixel font size, so see what is the difference. Now by default it's showing S3 this size, right? Refresh it. See, I will provide 50 pixel font size, so it's increased. It's increased. So you can increase as per your requirement using style attribute. Okay. So here each HTML heading has a by default size. Previously it's showing by default size whatever provided by HTML. However, if you can specify the size for any heading with style attribute, you can use CSS property, font size property. So here I'm doing here style. I'm doing here style font size 50 pixel. As per our requirement, I want to increase the size of S3. Okay. And if you want to increase the size also of S6, so you can do it. So I will provide S6 font style 40 pixel. So refresh it. By default showing this size. Okay. If you refresh it, it's showing this. Okay. So you can increase your requirement. Okay. Next move to the paragraph. Next move to the paragraph. HTML paragraph. Paragraph always start a new line because that is the block level element. Okay. Paragraph and heading tag are the block level elements. So it will also start in the new line, and usually a block of text. Okay. Block level elements. Okay. HTML paragraph we will denote bit elements. P elements is the opening, and some contents, whatever paragraph we want to display, and close the paragraph tag. Okay. A paragraph start always a new line because that is the block level element, and browser automatically adds some white space margin before and after a paragraph. I will show you how it does work. Okay, I will show you. This is the paragraph tag. Open and close the paragraph also. Close the paragraph also. Here we need to write some content. Okay, this is the example of paragraph. Okay, example of paragraph. Refresh the page. So see, paragraph is showing here. Okay, if I will provide here extra space, I provide here extra space. So paragraph is the by default property. If I will provide extra space, so it will consider automatically a single space. See, here I am providing a lot of space. Here I am providing a lot of space and save it. If I go and refresh the page, so as you can see, there are no changes. There are no changes found because paragraph is the by default property. It will consider a single white space. If you already provide in the code a lot of space, so it will consider as a by default single white space. So here same line, a paragraph always start new line, and browser automatically adds some white space before and after paragraph. Okay. And if you want to this is the example, this is the one line, and if you want to off paragraph, if you want to add in the new line, so save it because it is the block level element, so it's not go to new line. So if you want to add if you want to make a new line of paragraph, so we need to write here break tag. So see, I already added break tag, so you can see it will go to new line, right, after adding the BR tag. But if you want to if you're not able to add a BR tag and make like this, so it will consider as a single line. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. HTML display, you can't be sure how HTML will display. Large or small screen and the size of window will create a different result. With HTML, you can change your display by adding extra space or extra line in your HTML code. So as you can see here, I'm writing a new paragraph. I'm writing a 5 line, right? 5 line, this paragraph, this is the second line, this is the third line, this is the fourth line, this is the fifth line. I will show you how it does work. See, it's considered at one line. It 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 is displayed as one line. If you want to make in the fifth 5 line, so we need to write here paragraph br tag. We need to write br tag. See, add br, add br here also, add br, add br, then it will display fifth line, right? See, okay. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. HTML horizontal row, EHR. In the previous video, I already explained about the EHR. EHR is the horizontal line that will provide a horizontal line. If you add EHR tag, so it will display horizontal line. If you add EHR tag here also, add EHR. So see the output, it will add horizontal line. Okay. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. BR is the line break tag. BR, the line break tag. I already explained you. BR. If you want to break line, so you can use the BR tag for breaking the line. And there are another element, pre-element. The HTML pre-element define the pre-formatted text. If you add the pre tag, so it will display pre-formatted tag. The text inside the pre-element, it will display the fixed width font. Usually it will show Courier font. Okay, I will show you how it will work. Copy this one, go to the example. I will add some content inside the pre tag. Okay, inside the pre tag, pre-formatted text. I will show you the output. As you can see, it will display by default. It will display the by default font family. As you can see, this font family is the different. So it 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 is displayed by default Courier format. Okay, it is displayed by default Courier format. If you add inside the pre tag, if you want to add some this line between this line, so you can add here free and close here free. So see the output. This line showing like this one. If you refresh this one, so it is changed, right? It is changed. If you want to make this one only example, if you want to make in the different to another, so you can add pre tag also here, starting and ending. Save it and see the difference. See example, but it's gone. It will go in the new line. It will go into the new line. If you add pre tag, so it will go to the new line, because this is the block level element. Pre also the block level elements. Okay. So I hope you guys understand. So we'll move to the style. The HTML style attribute is used to add some style to an element. What's the benefit of using style element? A style attribute. Style is the attribute. So style attribute, if you want to add in your elements, it will define the styles of the elements, such as a font size, color, background color, font size, and more. There are lot of things available inside the CSS. So that is a part of CSS. So inline style, if you want to use inline style, so HTML style is the attribute. Setting up the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. Okay, so this is the inline style. If you want to add style, so there are three way to add. If you want to add style, so there are three way to add the style in your HTML elements. For adding the style in HTML elements, HTML elements in three way. In three way. Three way. First way, using inline style. Using inline style. Second is using style tag. Using style tag. Using style tag. Using style tag. And third one, using separate style file. Using separate style file. So I will show you first using inline style. First is the using inline style. So how you will provide the inline style like this. This is the inline style. Add here style attribute. Inside the style attribute, if you want to make color of this text, so color, provide the red. I will show you. I will show you. Refresh the pen. As you can see, heading 4 is showing red color. So that is the inline style. That is the inline style. And if you want to add in the second way using style tag, so you can use the style tag here first. Style tag inside the head, inside the head, use the style tag inside the head and provide the style based on the first one using tag name. Second is using class name, and third one using id name, okay. So if you want to add style using tag name, so you will provide the directly tag name. Provide the directly tag name, okay. And if you use class name, so you will provide the dot class name, dot extension, use the class name. And if you want to provide id name, so you can use hash id name, hash id name, okay. So I will show you how to provide the style. So first we need to write style tag here. First we need to write style tag, close the style tag, okay. First I will show you using tag name. I will remove inline style. Remove the inline style. Okay. Remove, okay. Remove the style, inline style. I will show you using tag name. So I want to provide h1 tag. So use here h1, and inside the h1 I want provide h1 I want to provide color red, semicolon. Refresh the page. So as you can see, using tag name in the h1 I already provide style using tag name. This is the tag name. Second one using class name. So I need to provide class name. I want to provide h2. What is the class? Class equal to class name. I will provide the class name. Heading 2. This is the class name. As per your choice, you can use. So how use the class name? Using dot class name, and dot class name inside I will provide color green. I will provide color green, semicolon. So as you can see, refresh the pen. See, using class name, I already applied CSS using class name. Okay, color green. Third one. What is the third one? Using ID name. So I will provide S3 ID equal to I will provide ID head ID. Okay, head ID. I will provide. This is the unique name. You can use as per your requirement, as per your choice. So how to provide using ID name? Use the hash use the hash symbol, and after that we'll provide the style. Color, color, color. I will provide blue, blue. Okay, save it, save it, and refresh the pen. So as you can see, CSS is applied, CSS applied, CSS applied, CSS applied. Okay, and I hope you guys understand using style tag. Using style tag, I hope you guys understand using style tag. And third one is a using separate file, using separate file, separate style file. So first we need to create separate style file and save save the file, save the save the file using .css extension .css extension. First we need to create a separate style file and save the file using .css extension. And second thing second thing second thing second thing second thing we need to link link the CSS file in our HTML file. Link the CSS file in our HTML page. Okay, first we need to link. How to link? Use the link tag, use the link tag, use the link tag, close the link tag also, use the link tag, use the link tag. We need to link it. href equal to, will provide the path here. Style file path we need to provide here. Style path, and reference you will provide style sheet. So this is the format. Here we need to provide the path. We need to provide the path of HTML file. We need to provide the path of HTML file. And third one, after that, third one, use the same thing using class name, using tag name, and using ID name. Same thing you will apply here. Okay, third one, use the same name for applying the CSS. Tag name and ID name class. So first we need to create CSS file, that is the separate one. This is the CSS file, and save inside the desktop. Save inside the desktop using style.css. What is the extension? CSS extension. Using .css extension. Save it. The desktop. Save. So as you can see, CSS style file saved. And second, what is the second is link the CSS file in our HTML page. Link the CSS file in our HTML page. Remove the style tag and use here link tag. Use the link tag. And what is the reference? Reference is style sheet. And what is the path? We need to provide href. Href equal to path name. What is the path name? Path name is because the same path, right? Same file there. HTML and CSS file saved inside the desktop. So just we need to use style.css and close the link tag also. Actually, this is the common. If you not able to close this one, so that is okay, no problem. And if you close it, that is also okay. So CSS file is added in your HTML page. So first I will provide the CSS here using using tag name h1. I want to provide here color I will provide white, and background and background I will provide blue. Okay, save it and go to the page, refresh it. It's not applied. Actually, there are some path missing. Okay, I think some path missing. Style sheet ref. Using link tag. Sorry, style. Go to the style. This is the document. This is the inline style. Okay, this is the inline. There are three ways. See, link, style sheet, relation, and styles. Okay. Okay. There are some mistake in ref. No, REL spelling mistake. This is the relation. Relation is style sheet. Relation is style sheet, and href style.css I will provide because path name is the same because in the desktop both files are saved style.css and html.css. Both files are saved inside the desktop. So that's why. See, it's applied. It's applied. Separate file applied. And here provide the padding also. Padding. I will provide 20 pixel padding and save the file. And you can see padding left, right, top, bottom. Also provide the padding here. So in this way, there are three ways to add the CSS in your HTML file. Okay. Second thing, I will show you. Second, I will provide using class name. So what is the class name? Heading 2. Copy the class name, and so class name how you can access using dot. So here also provide the color white, background provide the green, add the padding also, padding 5 pixel here, 5 pixel, save and refresh the page. So as you can see, background color applied green and text color applied white, and also provide some padding, small padding. Okay. And the third one, using ID name. You can apply the CSS using ID name. So how you can access? Using hash. You can access the ID name. So applied this one, this setting. I want to apply another style here. A style. Background color I already explained. Color font family. I will show you font family and font size. I will provide some font size. Font size I will provide 50 pixel. Okay. Color I will provide white. Background I will provide red. Padding I will provide 10 pixel. Okay. Save it. See, heading font size I already increased. Font size I will provide 50 pixel. Background color red, text color white, and padding provide 10 pixel. Okay. So it looks like this. So you can use like this way also. So style I will learn in the deep when we'll start the CSS, learning the CSS. Then so we will learn about the style deeply. So in this video, just know about the style in the basic way. Okay. So I hope you guys understand. So today we'll stop this session. In the next video, we will learn formatting, quotation, and comments. How to format, how to quote, and how to comment it. comment the code. So we'll learn in the next video. So that's okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video.